Good day. So I want us to consider dependent events. These are events where the probability of one affects the other. Okay? For instance, if you have two probability A and B, under dependent event, the probability of A or B will affect A. So they depend on each other. Probability of A and B in this case will now be probability of A intersection B, which is same thing as probability of A multiplied by probability of B given that A has occurred. That's the condition. That is where probability P into bracket B slash A simply means probability of B given that A has occurred. So under dependent event, the two events affect one another. But in case of independent events, they are events that cannot happen together. And by implication, the interpretation of probability of A intersection B under independent event will be probability of A times probability of B because they don't have any connection. But in this case now, the probability of one affects the other. So if you have two events, A and B, the probability of A and B or A intersection B will be probability of A multiplied by probability of B given that A has occurred. So that is the condition here, because the probability of A and B, they depend on each other under dependent event. So I want us to understand all this framework, all this definition before we go into examples. So please, let's take note.